Struggling to make a messy bun? Yeah, I've got the perfect tutorial for you. Be ready to transform your skills from beginner to pro hairstylish. Yes, heard it right. Dive with me and learn this amazing messy bun. Let's get started. Whatever the product I'll be using to recreate this bun, we will share all the details with purchase links in the description box. And there it is, a stunning messy bun that's perfect for a wedding guest or even a bridal look. It's so simple and oh so elegant. I hope you loved this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you tried this hairstyle, make sure to share your recreations with me by tagging me on social media or commenting below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will always be the first to see my new upcoming tutorials. Yes, if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to send me a DM. I will make sure to get back to you as soon as possible and help with all your doubts. Thank you so much for watching this and I'll be see you in the next video soon. Stay gorgeous and keep spreading love. Ta-da!